Hello everyone. I want to share the EKC11 June bonus project. It's this sweet little mini album. I designed this one specifically to hold, of course, the 4x6 photographs, but also the ever so popular Instagram photographs. Lots of us now have our personal printing, photo printing machines where you can collage your photographs and do all sorts of really fun things with them. So how super cute to create one of these to house those photographs. I mean, perfect for a teenager. They would love this. Summer project with your teen would be absolutely perfect, or an adorable giftable item, guys. Slap a gift card in here and you're good to go, most certainly. Let me just talk about very quickly the paper collection because I know many of you are going to ask. This is using or featuring the die cuts with the view, the chalk art stack that you see right here. Chalk art stack. And give me 1 second. My camera is auto focusing. Sorry about that. All right, so we should be good to go now. All right, so the chalk art stack by Die Cuts with the View. And as you can see, I did not use the whole stack on this project. So you can get several projects out of this one if you wanted to make a couple of these albums. I also used, and I have practically nothing less, this Heidi Swap package, and it's a package of tags. It has tags. You can see them back here, some banners or pennants, whatever you want to call those. Just really cute die cut pieces that would make your album really interesting. And I'll show you what I did. This is a craft text cover, which I adore craft text, guys. We've had a whole conversation about this here. And it's just a wonderful cover to design mini albums that give you that non-structured look. So this is what you have here, guys. Just a really beautiful, simple, clean design with tons of room for your photographs. And the paper, not to mention, is super fun and makes the album even more interesting. I've got a brand new binding for you all here, guys. This is a really neat binding. I know you all are going to really love this and use it. If you don't want that structured look and you want to make some quick pocket pages, but you don't want to seal them in the bottom, I've got a solution for you here, guys. How wonderful this binding, the expandability possibilities are endless. You can add as many pages or as little pages as you want with this binding, and you don't have to worry about it. It takes the thinking or the guesswork out of it in terms of how large of a spine do I need, how many pages, etc., etc., etc. So this one takes the guesswork out for you there. You can make this in this portrait orientation, or you can make it landscape, and this would be landscape style, but I made this one to fold out like this, and I really love it. Here are one of the Heidi Swap banners, and I just simply attach those with a paper hinge, and it just again creates interest and it's fun. We've got a pocket down here, and this is another one of the Heidi Swap banners from this package right here. This one I back to white paper so you can see what that looks like. I think it would also be a good idea to back this one to perhaps a pink paper, and then you can put the photograph on the back and it will most certainly make that wish sentiment stand out. So I've used the die cuts throughout. The book is consistent. Here's another wonderful die cut. Look at that paper, how adorable. Grab those chalk markers and do it up on these pages. And it's just a fun album. All right, here are some of the cutouts from the paper collection, and you can load this one up, guys, and you will make this in less than 2 hours from start to finish. I promise you. I think the thing that takes the longest with this album is the drying time, because when you attach paper to craft text, you have to allow it to dry before you start bending it. Another fun feature about this project is the closure. Because we use craft text here, which acts like fabric or canvas, we are able to use snaps. All right, snaps are really fun. They're really inexpensive, and you can get them in a array of colors. And I'll show you what my tool looks like. I have one here in the package. If you want to pick one of these up, you can find the link to this on my website, paperphenomenon.com. In the menu, I have a link to this in the in the menu. It says my faves, and I have a link to this tool. You can get exactly the one that I have. I picked it up on Amazon, so you can pick this up if you want. It sets multiple sizes of not brads, excuse me, snaps. It's inexpensive, and again, the snaps come in a gazillion colors. Okay, and here I use the white to just continue with the chalk theme, and they're so durable. Listen to it. They're called snaps for a reason. Do you hear it? Let's see. How fun. And they're totally durable. They're not going to tear, they're not going to rip off because you're using them with the craft text. And again, the craft text acts like fabric, or I like to compare it to canvas. All right, so there is the June bonus project. It's this sweet mini album having a craft text cover with a brand new binding that I know you all will enjoy. And it's a super quick, easy binding. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. You can find this tutorial in my shop. I will also link you down below. Again, this is a bonus project I created for June, which is part of EKC 11, and EKC stands for Everyday Kit Club. All right, see you soon.